What if you could know whether a keyword is worth targeting before you spend hours creating content? Today, I'll show you one of my favorite tools inside MetricVault, the Keyword Overview. In just a few seconds, you can discover a keyword's search volume, competition, search intent, CPC, SERP features, and even get an AI-powered content brief, all in one place. Now we're inside MetricVault, under Keyword and Content, and this is the Keyword Overview page. Think of this tool as your first stop before creating any blog post, landing page, or SEO campaign. Instead of guessing what keywords to target, MetricVault gives you the data you need to make smarter decisions. On the left side, you'll find all the keyword research tools: Keyword Magic Tool, Keyword Overview, Bulk Analysis, Keyword Gap, Keyword Manager, Topic Research, Content Decay Detector, and Internal Linking Engine. Today, we're focusing on Keyword Overview, which gives you a complete snapshot of any keyword before you decide to target it. At the top, you'll notice several export buttons. You can export your research as PDF, Excel, CSV, or JSON. There's also a Share Public Link option, making it easy to send reports to teammates or clients. This is especially useful for agencies or freelancers creating SEO reports. Now let's look at the search box. Simply type any keyword here. For example, running shoes, best CRM software, or SEO tools. Then click Analyze Keyword. Each search uses reports based on your plan, which you can monitor from the report counter at the top of the page. Next is the location selector. Here you can choose which country or market you want to analyze, such as worldwide, United States, United Kingdom, or Australia. This is important because keyword demand changes depending on the country you're targeting. Next is the date range. You can analyze data across different time periods: 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 5 years, or choose a custom range. This helps you identify whether a keyword is growing, seasonal, or declining over time. Once MetricVault finishes analyzing your keyword, you'll receive a complete SEO report. Here's what you'll typically see. Search volume. This tells you how many people search for that keyword every month. Higher search volume usually means more traffic potential. Keyword difficulty. This score estimates how difficult it is to rank on Google's first page. Lower difficulty generally means an easier opportunity, while higher scores usually require stronger authority and backlinks. CPC. You'll also see the estimated cost per click. A higher CPC often indicates that advertisers value the keyword because it has stronger commercial potential. Next is the search intent. MetricVault identifies the user's intent behind the keyword, such as informational, commercial, transactional, or navigational. Knowing the intent helps you create content that matches what users are actually looking for. SERP features. MetricVault shows which Google search features appear for that keyword, including featured snippets, AI overviews, images, videos, people also ask, and local packs. Knowing these features helps you optimize your content to appear in more places on Google. AI Content Brief. One of my favorite features is the built-in AI Content Brief. Instead of starting with a blank page, MetricVault helps generate a structured outline based on live keyword data, making content planning much faster. At the bottom of the page, MetricVault also includes a live example that demonstrates the type of keyword insights you'll receive. It's a quick way to understand how the tool works before analyzing your own keywords. That's the Keyword Overview tool inside MetricVault. Instead of guessing which keywords to target, you get real SEO data, including search volume, keyword difficulty, search intent, CPC, SERP features, and AI-powered content insights, all from a single dashboard. Whether you're creating blog posts, building landing pages, or planning your SEO strategy, this tool helps you choose keywords with confidence. That's the Keyword Overview tool inside MetricVault. Instead of guessing which keywords to target, you get real SEO data and save hours of research.
Everything you need for keyword research and content planning is in one place. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.